So hi friends, how are you? My name is Affam Fayaz and you are watching JAF Gamer or JAF Tech. So friends, today I will show you to make our photos attractive to people. There are two ways to make our photo attractive. So I will show you today. Now I will screen share of laptop for you. So friends, the first step is we should go to Play Store and install Magic Pick. Now I will found Magic Pick and see friends, now we should search it. It will come in many ways, but Magic Pick Picture Editor, Photo Editor Pro and Effects. So we should install it, and second step we should open it. After opening, you will see so many effects. There are butterfly effects, fire effects, moon effects, fur effects. There are so many effects. So I need sketch effects or neon effects, emoji effects, love effects, cartoon effects, drip effects. So first I will show you cartoon effects. So we should choose anything you want. Now I will choose this first one and then I will press use, and now it will come a ad. Now we should press close and we should choose which photo I need. So I need this photo. So I selected it and it is getting loading. Guys, see my photo, it is coming cartoon effects. So I will bit low it and again making cartoon. It is so many effects. Now I'll choose this effect. It is also get loading here. See friends, how beautiful it is coming. So we should press tick mark and it will get loaded, and you should press save. It is getting saved. So friends, the first way is you can make like this effects in Magic Pick. Now I will show you the animal effects. After saving, you should press back and then come back of it. Next I will show you next thing. In this also we should first go to Play Store and we should find an animal frame. So I found animal frame photo. So friends, wild animal photo frames, you should install it. Now we should open it, and after opening it, this background will come in it. Add, and then we should remove the ad, and then there is frames and background. First we should choose frames. See friends, there are so many animals. Now I will choose leopard. Mark. Now there are two, camera and gallery. Do you want to take now photo? Should press camera or otherwise gallery. Now I press gallery. They will come to albums, photos. Now you should press albums or photos. After pressing albums, now I will choose again a photo. I need this one again, and you can adjust here however you want. Then you should press tick mark, save, and you should press back. So this is the first every step in ad. Now let's mark it. There are so many animals, friends. Now the next is backgrounds. Which background do you want? You can select here, friends. Now I want fog background. Now then also you should press X. Now there is sticker, history, BGS, add text, items, browse. Now I will press items. It will come so many. See, friends. Now I want this fox. So I will place it over here. Then the stickers. I need this sticker. So I can frame wherever you need. So I will frame here and the history BGS, and I can add text. I want this type of text and rainbow color text. Now I should press OK and text here. I will press JAF tech. Now we should press OK. Then you can keep here wherever you want. Now I want here. Then I will make it little small. And here I will paste it. Then browse is there. You can photo from camera or gallery, and now I am choosing album for it. And now I am using this photo, and this photo I need. And again I will cut like this and put save. See, friends, you can keep wherever you want this photo. You can keep there, friends. Now I want to keep it over here and press save. After saving it, you should press back and back. So friends, like this you can make your photos attractive, and you can make more and more attractive using this app. Thank you for seeing my channel. If you like this channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.